sound of a cash register chiming loudly. What if I told you could get floods of free traffic and sales pouring into your business without spending a dime on ads? Look at this. This is what happened when I stopped wasting money on ads and started using influencer marketing. My traffic went through the roof, and more importantly, my sales went absolutely nuts. And guess what? You can do the same. Now, I know you've probably heard a lot of hype about influencer marketing. Maybe you've even tried it yourself and didn't get the results you wanted. But that's because you're probably doing it wrong. You're probably listening to all the gurus who tell you to pay celebrities with millions of followers to shout you out. Scoff and shake your head. That's a recipe for disaster, my friend. You're just throwing your money away. Lean in conspiratorially. The real secret to influencer marketing is finding hidden gems, those micro-influencers with small but highly engaged audiences. These are the people who can move the needle for your business, without costing you a fortune. Here's the thing. People are tired of ads, they're bombarded with them everywhere they go, but they still crave information, they still want to be entertained, and they still trust recommendations from people they follow. That's where influencer marketing comes in. It's about building relationships with influencers and creating valuable content that their audience will love. Content that solves their problems, entertains them, and subtly introduces them to your brand. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you're in the fitness industry. Forget about trying to get a shout out from The Rock. You're not going to be able to afford it, and even if you could, his audience is way too broad. You're going to be wasting your reach on people who don't care about fitness. Instead, you want to find micro-influencers who are passionate about fitness, who have built a loyal following of people who trust their advice. People who are actively looking for fitness tips, workout routines, and product recommendations. Now here's the key to making this work. You've got to provide value. This isn't about sending influencers a free sample and begging them for a shout-out. It's about becoming a valuable resource to them, a partner in creating amazing content that their audience will devour. Think about it. You're an expert in your niche, right? You know more about fitness than 99% of the population. You've got knowledge that can transform people's lives. Share that knowledge with influencers, help them create killer content, and watch the magic happen. Here's another little secret for you. Content marketing is a long game. It's not about getting a quick hit of traffic and sales. It's about building a brand, establishing authority, and creating a loyal following that will stick with you for years to come. And here's the really cool part. The content you create today can keep working for you for years to come. Think about it. You make a video, you write a blog post, you create an infographic. That content doesn't just disappear after a few days. It lives on online, attracting new visitors, generating leads, and making sales even while you're sleeping. That's the power of evergreen content. And when you partner with influencers to create that content, you're multiplying your reach and impact exponentially. Here are a few examples of how this can work. You could team up with a fitness influencer to create a series of workout videos. You could sponsor a giveaway on their channel, featuring your fitness products. You could guest post on their blog, sharing your expert fitness tips. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, it doesn't have to cost you a fortune. Here's the truth. Most micro-influencers are hungry for great content. They're always looking for new ideas, new collaborations, and new ways to engage their audience. That's where you come in. You're the expert, you've got the knowledge, and you're willing to share it. Here are a few tips for reaching out to influencers. Do your research. Find influencers who are a good fit for your brand and whose audience aligns with your target market. Personalize your pitch. Don't send a generic mass email. Take the time to craft a message that shows you've done your homework and that you genuinely value their work. Offer value up front. Don't just ask for a shout-out. Offer to create valuable content for their audience or to collaborate on a project that will benefit both of you. Be patient. It takes time to build relationships. Don't expect to get a yes from every influencer you reach out to, but if you're persistent and you provide value, you'll eventually start seeing results. Now, I know this might seem a little overwhelming, but trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. And once you get the hang of it, it's like having a sales army working for you 24/7. And here's the best part. I'm going to give you everything you need to get started, absolutely free. I've created a free course called Instagram Secrets where I walk you through my entire influencer marketing system, step by step. You'll learn how to find the perfect influencers for your niche, craft irresistible offers they can't refuse, create killer content that their audience will love, track your results, and scale your success. So what are you waiting for? Head over to digitalprospera.com/course right now and sign up for free. I'll see you on the inside. Let's make some magic happen.